Hello everyone, welcome to Rev Sports. This is Moho Chaudhary and right now I'm standing here in Red Road, Kolkata covering the JBJ Kolkata Marathon 2025. The excitement that I've seen on all of these people's faces is just amazing, and the enthusiasm, the buzzing enthusiasm that I have seen is just totally off the charts. There have been the turnout has been absolutely massive. Over 10,000 people have joined, and participated in this particular marathon. And yes, the city of joy is already buzzing with excitement. There were 3 rounds today. The marathon took place in 3 phases. The first one being the 21-kilometer round, and it flagged off around 5:30 a.m. in the morning. The second one being the 10-kilometer round, which flagged off at 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and the third round being the 5-kilometer round, which flagged off at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. So all in all, despite the time of the day, despite everything else, the turnout has been absolutely massive. People joining in from all walks of life and across all age groups, coming here, participating. And one thing is common, that is the energy, the excitement on all of their faces, and the bright smiles that they have on all their faces is absolutely common. Also, another extremely amazing, I can say it's an initiative, or it's an extremely amazing process of it, is that there is another round as well, which flagged off at 7:50 a.m. in the morning, and that is for the special heroes. And I think it's a lovely initiative to also include the special heroes in this particular marathon. And yes, I mean, I also had the privilege of talking to some of the some very eminent athletes who were present with us. They they stressed on the importance of fitness, and they applauded this massive initiative of basically uplifting the sporting culture and uplifting the fitness culture in Kolkata, which is very necessary for athletes, of course, but also for the common people in general. We also had our very esteemed brand ambassadors joining us, Milind Soman being one of them, Ankita Konwar being one of them, and of course we also had Sayami Kher with us today. All in all, a wonderful initiative. And definitely I would like to conclude by quoting this particular phrase that I very evidently remember from the launch event, and that is, we all run a marathon. Marathon is not just restricted to running on the road, but a marathon is also about the marathon, the regular race of life that we run every single day. Yes, we have struggles. Yes, we have our hardships that come our way, but we don't back down. We keep crossing the hurdles and we keep running the marathon of life. So that is all in all. I would like to say that I was extremely elated to be a part of this event, and yes, I would definitely hope I would definitely hope for such an event to take place more and more in future. And of course, I would like to applaud and salute this grand initiative taken by the Joy Balaji Group to arrange this amazing marathon for the people of Kolkata. And yes, it's been a lovely initiative overall. Thank you. So we have Ace Archer Dola ma'am here with us today, and she's undoubtedly a symbol of women empowerment. Ma'am, I would like to ask you, how does it feel like to see this massive turnout in Kolkata, a marathon of such big scale, people prioritizing fitness? What does it feel like as an athlete?
So when I started, I thought that the last few years, from the 5 years or last 6 years, though, we have concerned about the fitness, and we started marathon. Lots of marathon happened in Calcutta last 5 years. So it's great because the new generation will come to play any event, any sports event, because the main run is the main fitness thing in the any sports. So we have started this. I think the next 2030 we host the Commonwealth Games. So maybe someone from this new generation will come and will take a medal for the India.
Kolkata prioritizing fitness, like you were just mentioning, that there's been an improvement in the overall fitness culture in Kolkata, sporting culture. What are your thoughts on it? How do you feel about it, and what can we do to further improve it?
So main thing I thought that is when we have started the sports in our school, because that the school is the one place there we have a 10 years old children, 6 years old children, 15 years old children. So we hunt the talent from the school, and the sports is a compulsory in the every school. For that, when every school started 2 or 3 games in their school, then we get many of the talented sports person from all over the country and every year. So this is the important, because we strong our grassroots level. That is the main thing. Then we when the elite sports person every time supported in any endorsement they got many companies and the government also, but when we start the sports, any kids, that time they don't have any infrastructure, don't have any equipment facility, so that is the time we support them. So we start from the school and we made and CSR fund, obviously now CSR fund also supported too much in the all the sports person, so that is the main thing. We start training center, we support training center because we have also started a training center in the Calcutta. So we suffer that thing the when we, because the our game is a very equipmental game, so that is a very costly game. So anybody come and afford, any family, they don't think that we afford 3 lakhs rupees for the equipment, they, what is the future. So that's that time they need some support, and the talent, they don't think about the equipment, they only practice and they give the 100% for in the sports. So that support is come, then they tension free and practice every day and they give the their best performance in the event. So this is the important, though we support the grassroots level and encourage our children to go from field to run and whatever he wants in the ground.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
So we have Gaurav sir here from Jai Balaji Group. He's the director of Jai Balaji Group, and we would like to talk to him a little bit. Sir, I'm pretty sure you all have been, organizing this for a long, long time. A lot of efforts have gone behind this. So how does it feel like to see this massive turnout today?
Obviously, it's very exciting, and this is the 10th year. We had started from 99 runners on the wetlands, and now we are at Maidan with 10,000 runners. Wow, like, I don't have words for that. It has been a great success, and it has become one of the most iconic runs of Calcutta, and we look forward for more participation year on year.
How has the turnout been like? Who all have come in? If there's any celebrity guests who have, showed up for this?
Yeah, definitely. Milan Suman sir, Ankita ji, and Saima Khair, they are the face of the events, and they are running 21. They are on the route only. So they are also excited and really thrilled to see the turnout here. So they didn't had much plans to run, but the weather was fine, and they really wanted to be a part of the event.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So we have Shraddha ma'am here from Sporties today, and I would like to talk to her a little bit about this marathon. Ma'am, I'm pretty sure a lot of effort has gone behind organizing this. So I would like to ask, how has the journey been like? What was the madness like? And now that you see the success today, how does it feel like?
So this is nothing short of magic actually. If I have to say one word, it's magic, because this is something we started as a discussion in an office room in amongst 3-4 people, and turning that into reality and getting 10,000 feet on the road is incredible. So we feel extremely happy, extremely grateful, and extremely proud.
Such a massive success as we all can see. What do you feel? What are your emotions right now?
So if I have to be honest, I'm really feeling very happy, but I'm feeling very grateful because everything has, turned out to be in our favor. The weather has been very good, and runners have, they are all very excited and very happy. We have received such amazing support from all authorities of Kolkata. The team has been giving a great support. We have all been up whole night, but then, we are all smiling and we are very happy. So starting from a very small run with just 99 participants back in 2016 to getting 10,000 people on the Red Road Maidan is absolutely a dream come true for us.
Thank you so much, ma'am.